Hey guys, welcome back to Easy English with Kat. Reaching C1 has so many components, and it is not just about all the hours you sit at your desk studying. A really important aspect of this is trying out everything that you learn in real life scenarios. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, you have probably seen that I am a huge proponent of creating immersion at home, doing everything that you can in your day-to-day life in order to create a natural immersive experience. But sometimes that just doesn't take you the whole distance. There is a place for real life immersion, actually going to the place, traveling there, speaking the language. But let's be honest, these trips can be pretty expensive. And so in order to fund these trips, I use a specific saving system that I use exclusively every time I buy something online. And the tool that is at the heart of this system I use is called Coupert. Now, Coupert is a free browser extension that basically does all of the detective work for you. Whether I'm buying new microphones for the channel or booking gear for a trip, I know that Coupert finds the best coupons and it generates the best savings. Now, this is a huge game changer for my travel savings because it handles the three biggest ways to save money automatically. The first thing Coupert does that's extremely helpful is it has this automated coupon generator. When you're at a checkout page, Coupert automatically pops up and tries every valid promo in their database. Now, this is extremely helpful because sometimes we like to try plugging in coupons here and there, and then you're stuck doing it for 15, 20 minutes and you end up getting nowhere. And this can be so frustrating. They even have a max savings guarantee, which means that if you find a better code that they somehow missed, they will actually reward you. So it really takes the guesswork out of wondering if you've gotten the best deal. Another amazing thing about Coupert is the cashback feature. This is how I'm actually able to build my travel fund using Coupert. Coupert works with over 60,000 stores. So even if there isn't a coupon, you're earning real money back on your purchase. And I like to personally just sit there and watch that balance grow as you are using the extension day to day. It is honestly such a satisfying thing to watch because these are things that you have to buy anyways. So you end up just saving so much more money. It's like getting paid to buy things that you are already going to buy. Finally, one of my favorite features is there is a price comparison. If I'm looking at something on one site, Coupert will automatically notify me if the same item is cheaper somewhere else. It really saves me from juggling 10 open tabs just trying to find the best deal, because we all know that can be so time consuming. This really comes down to efficiency. It's all about spending less time manually doing all of these different things so that you can actually focus on your language learning, traveling for immersion, and all the things that you actually want to spend your time on. Living a fluent life is all about being smart with your resources. If you want to start funding your own immersion goals, or just even save money on your daily shopping, then you absolutely need this tool. You can click the link in my description below and it will take you to Coupert to download the extension. Then it's just automatic, so you don't even have to think about it. It only takes about 30 seconds to set up, but then you will be saving money for years. Now, I hope this video helps you accomplish your language learning goals and helps you go on an immersive trip sooner. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!